Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can rank number 1 on YouTube in 2024. So ranking 1 on YouTube is a complex endeavor that requires a strategic approach. But here I'm going to tell you of 5 key strategies to help you achieve the top rankings. So the first one is the keyword research and optimizations. You can first identify relevant keywords, like use tools like TabBuddy or VDQ to find keywords that are both popular and less competitive. You can also optimize title and description, so include your primary keyword in the title and description, but ensure it flows naturally. You can also utilize tags. You can use relevant tags to help YouTube categorize your videos. So you can add tags on your video descriptions. And you can create engaging thumbnails like this. I have thumbnails for my video mostly. And the second key strategy is you can create high quality content. So you can create a value driven content. You can produce videos that provide real value to your audience. And also don't forget in the engaging storytelling, so you can keep your viewers hooked with a compelling narrative. And don't forget to be clear and concise. Avoid rambling and get to the point. And you can also optimize the video length, balance length with engagement, so the longer videos can rank well but keep the pace. So the third key strategist can optimize your video for YouTube. You can add closed captions. You can also include end screen and cards, promote your other videos, and encourage viewers to subscribe, and encourage comments and likes. So engage with your audience to foster a community. And the fourth one, you can promote your videos. You can share on other social media like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to reach a wider audience. And don't forget you can also collaborate with other YouTubers. So cross promote each other's content. And you can also do some paid advertising. You can consider YouTube ads to boost visibility. And don't forget to share your videos with your email subscriber. And the last key strategies, you can analyze and adapt. Track your performance. Don't forget to use either YouTube analytics, so you can just open your YouTube videos and monitor the views, watch time, and audience retention. And don't forget to learn from your audience. Pay attention to comments and feedback. So you need to also check comments for any feedbacks. And don't forget to adapt your strategy, so you can continuously refine your approach based on data and insights. So that's the 5 key strategies on how you can rank number 1 on YouTube. But remember, YouTube's algorithm favor videos that keep viewers engaged. So you can focus on creating content that people love to watch, and the rankings will follow. And that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.